Hey, Chris here, Estimating Expert YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how to set the scale on drawings in Bluebeam Review. If you caught the last video, we've already relabeled and extracted our drawings separately. So what I've done is open up all three of those drawings that we extracted, and you can see down here where it says scale not set. That means that we have not selected a scale for the drawing yet. The first thing you're going to want to do is go and find the scale of the drawing. Lighting controls diagram, power riser diagrams typically are not to scale. Any text is not going to be to scale. But if you notice over here, the ceiling plan, electrical, well, they've got it labeled ceiling plan, it's the lighting plan. It's a 1/4 inch equals a foot scale. So then what you're going to want to do is go over here and highlight scale not set. Click that. And then there's a few ways that you can do this. The first way I'll show you is using preset. So we'll see where it says scale and the radio button is click preset. You can drop down menu here, open that up, and then find the scale. And there's some typical scales in here. 1/4 inch equals a foot is this drawing. So you select that, and then I just leave these alone. That's the precision, goes up to a 1/4 inch. You can turn it to 1, and then it won't do increments in between. So it's kind of more simple that way. Then click apply scale, and it'll change the drawing to a 1/4 inch equals a foot. And then when you want to measure something, you can double check it and make sure that the measurement is correct. And then I'll go through and just measure each one separately. Looks like the power drawing, we have a 1/4 inch equals a foot, and then we have the roof plan, which is a different scale. That's actually a good topic to cover in the next video. We'll cover setting a viewport or creating a viewport for a different scale on the same drawing. But I'll set this drawing to a 1/4 inch equals a foot, and actually it remembers the last scale set. So if your drawing matches the next one, you just have to click set scale and then apply scale. And then the third drawing is all text and specification. So I'm just not going to set a scale on that because there's no takeoff associated with it. And that's how you set the scale on Bluebeam drawings for takeoff. The other way that you can set the scale on the drawing, let's say if you don't have a scale or you don't know what the scale is, it's not listed, you can set it yourself by calibrating it. So same deal. You go over here and open this dialog here, select custom, select calibrate. And then a lot of people, they'll tell you probably check a doorway. It's like 3 foot, 3'4", something like that. We're just going to check some T-grid right here. This is 4 foot by 2 foot. And when you're holding that, here's a little trick. If you hold the shift button, it'll hold it in a straight line for you. So I just hold the shift button, click that, and then basically I say that 1 inch, we know that's 4 feet. So 1 inch on the drawing equals 4 feet. And then click apply scale. Now you basically have 1 inch equals 4 feet, which is the same as a 1/4 inch is a foot. And so you can double check your measurement to be sure. That's 2'8", and this is 4 foot. That's about right. So, and that's the second way that you can set a scale on a drawing if it's not listed.